Giving clothes a second life is not just a trend, it's a necessity in today's world. The concept of clothing recycling is more relevant than ever. The fashion industry, though glamorous, has a dark secret: waste. Every year, tons of clothing end up in landfills.
Mountains of discarded clothing pile up, polluting our planet. This waste not only takes up space, but also releases harmful toxins into the environment. But what if we could transform this waste into something beautiful and sustainable? Sustainable fashion is an innovative solution.
This is where the magic of clothing recycling comes in. With creativity and effort, old clothes can be turned into new fashion pieces. Imagine a small business, a creative centre, where old clothes are given a new lease on life. This process is not only beneficial for the environment, but also for the local economy.
This is the essence of a clothing recycling business, a venture that is both environmentally responsible and economically viable. Each recycled garment tells a story of transformation and renewal. This essay will guide you through the process of setting up your own clothing recycling haven, from choosing materials to marketing your products. From the initial planning stages to the joy of seeing your first recycled creations fly off the shelves. With dedication and passion, you can be a part of this transformative movement. Planting the seed, business planning, and registration. Every successful journey begins with a well-defined roadmap. Before you even thread your first needle, you need a solid business plan. This document will outline your business goals, target market, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Consider factors like your local competition, the availability of used clothing, and the demand for recycled fashion in your area. Once your plan is in place, it's time to make it official. Register your business with the proper authorities. This step is crucial for legal operation and financial transparency. Location, location, location. Finding the perfect spot for your workshop is crucial to the success of your business. The location of your workshop can make or break your business. It's important to consider several factors before making a decision. You need a space that is both functional and welcoming. A comfortable atmosphere not only improves productivity, but also makes your customers feel welcome. Look for a location that is easily accessible to both customers and suppliers. Proximity to public transportation and major roads can make visits and deliveries a breeze. Ample space is essential to accommodate your sewing stations, cutting area, storage shelves, and a small display area for your finished products. This will allow you to work efficiently and keep everything organized. Don't forget about good lighting and ventilation to create a comfortable and productive work environment. Natural light and good air circulation can make a world of difference in the quality of your work. Also, consider the character of the neighborhood. An area with an active community and frequent events can be beneficial. A location with a vibrant arts and crafts scene or a strong community spirit can attract customers who appreciate the value of recycled fashion. Participating in local events and collaborating with other businesses can boost your visibility and bring in more customers. Equipping your creative hub, essential tools and materials. Now comes the exciting part, equipping your workshop with the tools of your trade. Start with the essentials: sturdy cutting tables, comfortable chairs for your sewing team, measuring tapes, scissors, seam rippers, and an iron with an ironing board. Don't forget organizational tools like shelves, storage bins, and clothing racks to keep your workspace tidy and efficient. Invest in high-quality fabrics, threads, buttons, zippers, and other embellishments to add a touch of originality and personality to your creations. The sewing machine is the heart and soul of your clothing recycling business. Without it, the transformation of used garments into new creations would be impossible. Selecting the right machines is crucial for the quality and efficiency of your work. Each machine has its purpose and specific function, and choosing the right one can make all the difference in your production. You'll need a combination of industrial sewing machines for heavy-duty tasks, like denim alterations, and delicate machines to handle finer fabrics and intricate designs. Industrial machines are robust and can handle large volumes of work, while delicate machines are perfect for fine details and precise finishes. Here's a breakdown of sewing machine options and their approximate costs. It's important to consider your budget and the specific needs of your workshop before making a purchase. Industrial sewing machine. $500 to $1,500 for durability and handling thick fabrics. These machines are essential for jobs that require strength and resilience. Domestic sewing machine, $200 to $800 for versatility and handling a variety of fabrics. They are ideal for smaller projects and for those just starting out in the world of clothing recycling. Overlock machine, $300 to $700 for professional seam finishes and to prevent fraying. These machines are perfect for adding a finishing touch to your garments and ensuring they have a clean and durable finish. While sewing machines are essential, other equipment can streamline your workflow and enhance your creations. Dress forms. Adjustable dress forms allow you to drape and pin fabric for a perfect fit, making the design process smoother. Cutting mat and rotary cutter. A large cutting mat and a rotary cutter make cutting multiple layers of fabric quick and accurate. Steamer. A steamer is invaluable for removing wrinkles from delicate fabrics and freshening up recycled garments. These tools will not only improve the quality of your work, but also save you valuable time and effort in the long run. A well-organized workspace is a productive workspace. Arrange your equipment in a logical flow to minimize unnecessary movement. Ensure there is ample lighting at each workstation to prevent eye strain. Also, consider the overall ambience of your workshop. A fresh coat of paint in bright, cheerful colors can create an inspiring atmosphere. Add some plants to bring a touch of nature indoors and create a sense of calm. As your business grows, you'll need a team of skilled and passionate individuals to share the workload. When hiring, look for individuals with a strong foundation in sewing and garment construction. Experience in alterations, repairs, and pattern making is a definite plus. Beyond technical skills, seek out individuals who are creative, resourceful, and passionate about sustainable fashion. A shared vision and enthusiasm for giving clothes a second life will contribute to a positive and productive work environment. Technical skills are paramount when hiring for a clothing recycling business. Your ideal candidates will possess the following: proficiency in operating industrial and domestic sewing machines. This includes threading, troubleshooting, and performing basic maintenance. Knowledge of fabrics. Understanding different fabric types, their properties, and how to handle them is crucial for successful recycling. Pattern cutting and alteration skills. The ability to adjust existing patterns or create new ones from scratch opens up a world of design possibilities. Attracting and retaining skilled employees requires offering fair and competitive wages. Research industry standards in your area to determine appropriate pay rates. Consider offering benefits such as health insurance and paid time off to show your employees that you value their contributions. Remember, a happy and appreciated workforce is a productive workforce. Investing in your employees is investing in the success of your business. Embarking on the journey of creating a clothing recycling business is both challenging and incredibly rewarding. Not only will you be contributing to a more sustainable future by reducing textile waste, but you'll also be tapping into a growing market of eco-conscious consumers. The satisfaction of transforming discarded garments into unique and stylish pieces is unparalleled. With passion, creativity, and a commitment to sustainability, your clothing recycling business can truly make a difference, one stitch at a time.
The journey is tough, but every piece we save from the landfill makes it worthwhile. Together, we can create a more sustainable future, one garment at a time.